Okay, we joined our ribbing with a slip stitch. Now it's a best practice to chain one and pull this a little bit tight and snug, and then we're going to make our first stitch into the same space as the slip stitch, and then we will have created the first stitch of the new round. And the mosaic double crochet setup is a double crochet, chain two, skip a stitch, double crochet, chain two, skip a stitch. So that's our setup sequence. We're going to double crochet, chain two. I like to look at my work so I see the stitch I just made. I'm skipping this stitch and I'm working into the next stitch. Again, the stitch I just worked, skip a stitch. I pinch the stitch that I'm going to work into with my left finger and thumb, and that's a tactile checkpoint for me where if I feel my hook going into that space, then I know that I'm in the right stitch. And it's a repeatable sequence. So we chain two, skip a space, double crochet into the next